Created by my guide. How to add a new opportunity in Salesforce Lightning. Welcome. In this guide we will learn how to add a new opportunity in Salesforce. Click on Opportunities. Click on New. Enter opportunity name. Select account under which you want to add opportunity. If you do not have an account, create one to continue this guide. Select Type. Choose closing date. Select Stage. Write short description if you want. Click on Save. A new opportunity has been added successfully. Thank you. Created by my guide. Publish free videos via my guide. Just Google my guide.